Very good morning. I am Pragasa, working as assistant professor in KSR Institute for Engineering and Technology. Now I'm going to explain the concept about artificial intelligence and machine learning fundamentals. So, first by what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science focused on creating intelligent machines capable of mimicking human functions like learning and problem solving. It encompasses a wide range of technologies and it enables machines to sense, understand, act, and learn. Next, what's the main goals of artificial intelligence? Reasoning, learning, and problem solving, decision making. These are all the goals. Reasoning means it will analyze the information about the logical conclusions, and learning means it will acquire the new knowledge and the skills from the data. Problem solving means it will solve the problem and identify and solve the problem in a goal-oriented way. Decision making, it will based on the choices, it will make the decisions. Next, foundations on artificial intelligence means philosophy, mathematics, computer science, psychology and cognitive sciences, neurosciences, linguistics, engineering, and ethics and law. So these are the some foundations of artificial intelligence. And then next, benefits. What are the main benefits of artificial intelligence? Means you can have variety of benefits in artificial in this labor and resource optimization. Labor and resource optimization means artificial intelligence enables automation of routine tasks and increase the productivity. So AI-driven systems can operate continuously and effectively, contributing to overall product productivity gains in industries. For in the with manufacturing, logistics, and customer making. So data-driven insight in the sense, artificial intelligence processes vast amounts of data to generate actionable insights, improving decision-making process in field like healthcare, diagnostics, financial trading, and marketing. Predictive capabilities means machine learning algorithms predict trends, behaviors, and outcome with a high accuracy. And then next, innovation and advancements of they're having some benefits in this scientific researches and technology development. Scientific research, in the sense, it will accelerate discovery by analyzing complex data sets, simulating scenarios, and generating hypotheses in fields such as uh, drug discovery and material sciences. And technology development, AI advancements in robotics, autonomous vehicles, um, natural language processing, and computer visions, expanding technological frontiers, improved user experience, personalization, and natural language interaction. Personalization, in the sense, AI-powered system provides a personalized experiences and a recommendation in e-commerces, entertainment, and social media. And natural language interaction, speech recognition, and language processing technologies enable the intuitive interactions with the devices and applications, improving the accessibility and the usability. So that's all about the benefits of AI. And then next, risk. So what are the risks are available in AI means main risk is job displacement and economic disparity. Job displacement and economic disparity. That means automation impact. So in the growth of AI and robotics could potentially replace jobs in various sectors, leading to unemployment and economic disruption in the low-skilled workers. They are actually they are affected very much. And the next is skill gaps. Disparities in education and training may widen as AI-driven automation demands new skill sets and capabilities. And the next, ethical and social implications. Ethical and social implications in this bias and fairness, privacy concerns. AI algorithms may exhibit biases based on the training data, leading to unfair outcomes in areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Also, privacy concern AI systems collect and analyze vast amount of personal data, raising concern about privacy breaches. surveillance and unauthorized person. Security risk in the form of security in cyber security and autonomous systems. Cyber security means it be exploited by malicious actors for cyber attacks, including phishing, malware, and data breaches. Autonomous systems means risk associated with the safety and security of autonomous vehicles, drone, and robots pose challenges for regulatory frameworks and liability issues. And final one is extensive risk and governance. In this potential risk posed by highly advanced AI systems and policy and regulation. Effective governance frameworks are needed to manage the ethical, legal, and social implication of AI technologies, ensuring responsible development and deployment. So these are some best of AI. And the next intelligent agent. So intelligent agent means it is a artificial intelligence refers to an autonomous entity that perceives its environment through sensors and acts upon the environment through the actuators in order to achieve its goals. Using the actuators and the sensors, it will act like a human. So, what are the main components of an intelligent agent? Sensors, actuators, perception, reasoning, and decision making, and goal directed. So sensors, it is gathering information from the environment. Actuators are mechanisms that allow the agents to act upon the environment based on its decisions. Perception in the sense involves in interpreting the sensory data received from the environment. And the next, reasoning and decision making. So reasoning means the agent uses reasoning mechanism to process the perceived information and make decision about its actions. Goal directed behavior. Objective. Main objective is intelligent agents operates with the specific goals or objectives in mind. So this is the intelligent agents. So nature of environment. Um, Intelligent agent operates within an environment that can vary greatly in nature. So the characteristics, main characteristics is observable. Nature of environment observable. So observable means the agent has access to the complete state of environment at each point in time. Partial approval means partial observable environment means the agent only has access to partial information about the state of the environment. And the next is deterministic and stochastic. Deterministic environment means the next state of the environment is completely determined by current state and the agent's actions. Stochastic environment means the next state of the environment is not fully predictable and involves randomness or uncertainty. And the next episodic and a sequential. Episodic environment and sequential environment. Episodic means the agent's experience is divided into autonomic episodes. Each episode is independent of the previous one. So agent's actions in one episode do not affect future episodes. Sequential environment means the agent action have long-term consequence. Each decision influence future states and actions, requiring the agent to consider the long-term impact of its actions. And the next is static versus dynamic. So static in the sense the environment remains unchanged. Dynamic means the environment can change while the agent is making decisions. Discrete and next one discrete and continuous. Discrete environment, the environment consists of a finite number of distinct states and actions. The agent can enumerate all possible states and actions. Continuous environment, the environment has an infinite number of possible states and actions. The agent must use mathematical models to handle the continuous variables. Known versus unknown. So known environment and unknown environment means the agent has prior knowledge of the environment structure and dynamics. But unknown environment in the sense that agent has little to no prior knowledge about the environment. It must learn and adapt as it's interact with the environment. So these are the nature of the environment. So some types of environment, simple reflex agent and model based reflex agent are the some types of agent. So simple reflex agent in the sense current perceptor using conditional rules, conditional action rules. So based on this only simple reflex agents will be work. A model based reflex agent means maintain an internal model of the environment to handle partial observability and maintain the state. Goal based means making a decision based on the goal and plans to achieve them. So considering future consequences of actions. Utility-based agent evaluate the action based on utility function to maximize overall satisfaction of the performance, providing a measure of desirability of different states. And then can have a uninformed search algorithm. So in this uninformed search means this algorithm do not have any additional information about the problem other than what is given in the problem definition. So in this we can have two types. One is breadth first search and the second one is depth first search. So breadth first search is the most common search strategy for traversing a tree or graph. So this algorithm searches breadth-wise in a tree. So it is called a breadth first. Breadth first search implemented in a FIFO order. And a depth first search is having a recursive algorithm for traversing a tree or graph data set. It is called a depth first because it starts from the root node and follows each path to its greatest depth node. Then next, depth limited search algorithms and uniform cost search. So these are the some uninformed searching algorithm. Depth limited means it is similar to first search with a predetermined limit. So depth limited search can solve the drawback of infinite path in the depth first search. In this algorithm, the node at the depth limit will root. It has no successor nodes for that. So uniform cost search in the sense traversing weighted tree or graph. This algorithm comes into play with when a different cost is available for each. The ultimate goal is of the uniform cost search is to find a path to goal mode which has the lowest cumulative cost from the root node. It can be used to solve any graph or tree where the optimal cost is in demand. So uniform cost search algorithm is implemented by the priority queue. It gives maximum priority to the lowest cumulative cost. It is equivalent to BFS if the path cost of all edges is same. So that's all about the first unit of artificial intelligence and machine learning fundamentals. Thank you.